Let's try some options with these squares. We can turn them into different shape very easily. Click on any shape. You can see we have 4 points here, and to turn them into different shape we will work with these points only. Click on any point and you can see it is turned white. Drag it inside and we have first shape. Select another one and this time we will select these 2 points. Select first one, and to select second one, press and hold shift key and then select it. Drag it inside. For this shape, select these 3 points. Click on first one and repeat the same procedure. Press and hold shift key, click on these points and then drag it inside. Wow! Isn't it easy? For these 3 shapes, we will try another version. We are not specifically selecting any point, just dragging it inside and pressing Ctrl and arrow key. You can press up or down key. We are just changing type of arc. Here is the shape. Now select these 2 points. Select first one, second one, drag it inside, press Ctrl arrow key to change your arc. Wonderful. Now this time we are just pressing this key, dragging it inside, press Ctrl arrow, change your shape. Let's try one more version with these 3 shapes. Select your shape, select any point, drag it, press Ctrl arrow to change your arc. This is a straight format. This time we will select these 2 points like we did earlier. Move it inside, press Ctrl arrow key to change your arc. Wonderful. And for this last option, we will select these 2 alternate points. Click on this, shift and click, drag it, Ctrl arrow to change arc and done.